Hi guys, Mr. M here, Peace Double Arrow. Hope you guys had a good weekend and you all ready for the new trading week, which I am. Okay, so we're currently running 20 trades here, as you guys can see, with 20 trades open. We're currently in a minus of 90, well, say 100 pips, 97 pips. And yes, the date 06/06/2022. As usual, you can go verify this on your own chart. Okay, you can go see what happened on this day. Okay, this is my current time in my country. Okay, and yes, the Euro NZD. Okay, 123 pips in the minus. That's okay. We trust our strategy, we trust our software. Okay, and as usual, live account. Okay, we in a live account, guys, not a demo. All right, and then I think what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna open up another 5 trades. Okay, let me just see. I think I need to open up another 5 trades, yeah. So I'm gonna go 1, live in front of you guys. Okay, that's how confident we are in our software. Okay, not saying the software is the holy grail. No, it's not. Okay, so we currently are in 25 trades now. As you guys can see, 152 pips in the minus. The software is not the holy grail, but it definitely win more than it lose. Okay, that's why I'm confident in the software and to open so many trades. Okay, yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pause this video, guys. Okay, we're gonna pause this video and then we'll bring you guys an update a little bit later. Okay, like I said, win or lose. Okay, we will bring you guys an update. All right, the trade might win, the trade might lose, I don't know. Okay, but like I say, we confident. Okay, hence all the trades be opened here. Okay, and like I said, you can go verify this on your own chart, and as usual, it's a live account, it's not a demo account. Okay, live. All right, so this is Mr. M standing by. I'll chat to you guys later. Ciao for now. Hi guys, Mr. M here. So we're back, guys. We're back. Okay, so we're still in the Euro NZD, as you guys can see. Okay, well, 447 pips in the plus. Okay, in the profit. Okay, I see the market is pulling back now. So the date is still the same. Okay, 06/22. All right, and then as usual, yes, it is a live account. It is a live account, guys, not a demo. As you guys can see, it is a live account. And yes, so we're still in 25 trades, as you guys can see. 25 trades here. Okay, and with 315 pips, 317 pips in the profit. Okay, it's hovering around now. So what we're gonna do, yes, you guys guessed it right. I think we're gonna start closing our trades now. We're not greedy. Okay, we know when to get out of the market, when enough is enough. So we're gonna start closing, guys. Okay, so it's 340 pips in the profit. So we're gonna start closing our trades now. Okay, and like I said, there's 25 trades open. Date is still the same, 06/06/2022. You can go verify this on your chart. Please do me that favor. Go verify this on your own chart and see what happened here. Okay, you can see the market is running 420 pips in the profit. Okay, And yes, as usual, live account, not a demo, it's live. Okay, we know our entry rules, we know our exit rules. Okay, so I'm gonna start closing 405 pips. Let me just see, 410 pips. Okay, that's fine. We're happy with 410, so we're gonna start closing now. Okay, like I said, we're not greedy. Closing it in front of you guys. Okay, market is still going. Market is still going, as you guys can see, but we're closing. Okay, we're closing our trades. Okay, we are closing our trades. Okay, and yes, live account, live, not a demo. Okay, so let's close. That's a lovely start to the Monday, guys. That's a perfect start to the Monday. We cannot complain. So we done trading for the day. Okay, as you know, in trading, less is more. Okay, don't overtrade, stick to your rules. Okay, do not overtrade, because believe me, you will burn your fingers. Okay, you will burn your fingers. I'm just closing all of them here in front of you guys, as you guys can see. Okay, closing in front of you. Okay, okay, we got 5 to close still. Okay, that's fine. 4. Okay, okay, let's close that. Okay, there we go, guys. 25 trades close. Okay, in front of you, 25 trades close. So we're happy with the results. Like I said, a good start to the Monday. 410 pips live in front of you guys. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sign off. I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, so this is Mr. M standing by. Have a good day further. Ciao for now.